Dear viewers, a very welcome back to Northeast Karbi Life, the Mirror of Society. I'm Merlin Intika Tharpe reporting. Today, I'm here at Arboretum Cum Crop Center, Difu, along with our NE Northeast Karbi Life News Channel team. We came here to see how is the preparation going on for tomorrow National Seminar on 75 years of 6th schedule. As you can see, half of the preparation is done. Let's go and see how is the preparation going on. And tomorrow, that is November 12th, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has organized a national seminar on 75 years of 6th schedule. Many scholars, intellectual, professors, even students, including EMs, MSCs of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is going to be part. In the seminar, the unresolved issues and challenges are going to discuss. So let's go inside and have a short interaction with the organizers of the national seminar of the 75 years of 6th schedule. So dear viewers, this is the conference hall. Tomorrow, national seminar of 75 years of 6th schedule is going to held tomorrow here. As you can see, the preparation is going on. So dear viewers, now I'm going to have a short interaction with the organizer of this event. So dear viewers, now I'm going to have a short interaction with none other than a professor of NIHU in Meghalaya. He is a professor of Department of History. He is Vilu Dhanaruch. So sir, first of all, greetings from our NE Karbi Life News Channel, Kardom.
Thank you.
So sir, first and foremost, can you elaborate in short about a national seminar of 75 years of 6th schedule?
Yeah, thank you so much. So as you all know, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is going to have 2 days in national seminar on 75 years of 6th schedule. So this program has been planned in the context of Karbi Anglong Day, which is going to be held on 17th November. So for which this is the context where, so being the coordinator, going to use and will have different scholars across Northeast India, and also have been working on 6th schedule area from other parts of Northeast India are going to join for this program. So more than 200 participants are going to join us. And very important thing is, as you all know, the government of India is going to take up 125th constitutional amendment bill, which is going to be tabled in upcoming parliament session. So this bill is a very important for all the 6th schedule areas. This bill delve into the development aspects, women's reservation issue, establishment of village level councils and municipal level council. So however, there is a different contentions within the councils. So this seminar is going to give a new dimension, direction to the government to frame and to deal with the 125th constitutional amendment bill.
Thank you so much, sir. So sir, my second question to you is that what is the aims and objective of the seminar?
So main objective is to sensitize the 6th schedule areas, because there is a debate whether 6th schedule is enough for the development of the northeast the 6th schedule areas or not. So apart from this, and some group of people, they want to have autonomous state like Karbis and Demasas. So this is also part of 6th schedule. But however, the 125th bill is going to address all these issues, including development issues, whether this autonomy is sufficient or not. Still, is there any other scope to extend the autonomy? So now the council is taking an opportunity, and also, as you all know, the CM is taking up lead to collaborate with other councils. Now we have a almost papers cover up all the 10 autonomous councils from Northeast India. So they will be speaking on various issues, including gender issue, development, political issues, autonomous state issues, and other issues. So I hope this seminar will try to address the which are unresolved, unsolved problems for the last 75 years. So this is also context. So very interestingly, this year we have completed 75 years of the 6th schedule in Northeast India.
Thank you so much, sir. My third question to you is that who are the confirmed speakers and panelists for tomorrow's seminar?
Yeah, tomorrow there will be an inaugural session. That session start at 9:30. So we have a Sonam Wangchuk. He has been invited as a chief guest for the inaugural session of the national seminar, and Professor Mahendra P. Lama is going to deliver keynote speech, and another important guest, Professor Samir Kumar Das, he is going to deliver inaugural address. These three will be there in the inaugural session. So apart from this, Sujya Rongpar is going to chair the session, and all the autonomous council elected representatives, MLAs and MP and members have been invited. Also different social cultural organizations, student organizations, so they have also been invited for this program. I hope uh, this program is not only for the autonomous council, this program is for all the stakeholders of six schedule areas.
So, sir, people are waiting for this seminar. So, what message you would like to give to the people?
Yes, definitely. So there are divergent opinions. Some people say that sixth schedule is not enough for the development of the community, and some people want autonomous state. So whoever involved in the movement for a different purpose, they all have to be invited and have discussions and meet the people who are coming from other autonomous council and have experiences. So those experiences will definitely redefine, re-look into the sixth schedule provision in the context of 125th constitutional amendment bill.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
So, dear viewers, that was it. This was a short interaction with the professor. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Since from tomorrow, that is November 12th and 13th, these 2 days, the national seminar is going to held. So please stay tuned for that.